Open up his clothing.
Just down here. Yeah, literally dead ahead. Yeah. Oh shit! Did someone just get in that? No, I'm behind you. Oh no!
Go shoot him through the drivers. Shoot him through the driver door.
He's just driven off. Oh mate, I had no. Oh, he's just rolled it.
That's fucking hilarious.
What?
Okay, I'm on my way to you.
Yeah. I can't see. I'm actually just gonna need it. Oh shit, that's smoke. That's smoke, that's the wrong one. Oh, fuck sake. Yeah, he's still there. He's peaked. I think that's got it. He popped me though. I'm just gonna bandage. I think I hear a car. Yeah. Oh no, sorry mate. I think that's the fucking. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, they were pissed off. We took out their helicopter and all their vehicles, and they were waiting for us.
Right, they're destroying our thing. Yeah.
That was upside down already.
Yeah.
I know. It's enemy blue.
That you were shooting him, Anders? Yeah, I'm actually just prone by the road. They're scaring me a little. Yes, lad.
Nicely done. He's still alive?
Oh, he's rolled the Humvee. Oh! Mate, you just fucking wiped them all out.
Yep. Welcome to Arma.
Yes, mate. Yes. No. Fucking great work.
Yeah, the
Right.
problem with Anders is he just steals everyone's kills.
Enough. Yeah, you've earned that. Oh, mate, I've got their radio. Oh shit.
Nice.
That's not me. That's not me. Yeah, where the Humvee crashed. Shit, I'm gonna go down. I'm down.
Are you dead, Andre?
Yeah, I'm dead. Ah, damn it! I just picked up the fucking. What's it called? Radio.
Can you spawn at Province or Simon's Wood?
No.
Can you spawn at Province?
No, not Providence and not Simon's Woods. The closest to that, I think it's Ulan.
When you look at the icon for Province, does it have a power symbol on it?
It's no,
Just
it's
blank and red.
just blank red with a little like no power sign.
Okay, hold on just a second. I'm going to go to Province and build a thing so you can spawn there.
Okay.
And then I've got a jeep, and I will go and stop Anders taking all the kills.
Yeah, please. I can't let him
Yeah.
do that.